We're here outside the gas station in Bastrop where the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre was filmed. Let's take a look around. Replica of the iconic van in Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's the year and make of the actual van that you see in the film.
Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery.
Check out this bench outside the gas station. In memory of those who went before us, it has all the characters from the film. This chainsaw here. At the bottom, you can see the saw's family, and then this mask as well. This is another replica of a vehicle from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's the same make and model of the truck that's featured in the film. And in case you didn't know, they actually serve barbecue here, which is pretty cool because if you've watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre, you know what happens when they kill their victims.